Unraveling the phrase, forged links, a guide to understanding and usage. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, forged links. This phrase is not only common in everyday English but also rich in meaning and history. So, let's explore what forged links really means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand and use this phrase effectively in your conversations. Forged links is a metaphorical phrase. To understand it, let's break it down. Forge originally refers to the process of heating and shaping metal, particularly in blacksmithing. Over time, it has also come to mean creating something strong and enduring. Links are connections or ties between things or people. So, when we say forged links, we're talking about creating strong connections or relationships between people, organizations, or even countries. It implies a deliberate and thoughtful effort to build these connections. Now, let's see how to use forged links in sentences. 1. In business, companies often strive to forge links with new partners to expand their market. 2. Diplomats work tirelessly to forge links between countries for better international relations. 3. In personal development, it's important to forge links with mentors and peers for growth and support. Notice how in each case, the phrase is used to indicate the active, intentional creation of a relationship or connection. It's easy to confuse forged links with similar phrases. For instance, build relationships or create connections are often used interchangeably. While they are similar, forged links carries a connotation of strength and durability, suggesting a deeper, more deliberate effort. Another point to note is that forge can have a negative connotation, like in forge a document, which means to illegally copy or fake something. However, in forged links, the connotation is positive and constructive. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of forged links. Remember, it's all about creating strong, enduring connections, whether in business, diplomacy, or personal life. Keep practicing this phrase in your conversations and see how it enriches your communication.